Sir Michael Philip Jagger, globally renowned as Mick Jagger, was born on July 26, 1943, in Dartford, Kent, England. As the iconic frontman of the Rolling Stones, Jagger has solidified his place as one of the most influential figures in the history of rock and roll. Over the decades, he has become not only a symbol of musical rebellion and charisma, but also a testament to longevity and reinvention in the entertainment industry. Jagger co-founded the Rolling Stones in 1962, along with Keith Richards and Brian Jones, and what started as a blues-inspired band quickly evolved into a cultural phenomenon. With his electrifying stage presence, distinctive voice, and sharp songwriting, Jagger helped drive the band's global success, spanning over 6 decades. The Stones have released more than 30 studio albums, including landmark records such as Let It Bleed, Sticky Fingers, and Exile on Main Saint, and performed over 2,000 concerts across continents. Their tours have consistently shattered box office records. According to Billboard, the Rolling Stones' 2022 60 tour became the 6th highest-grossing tour of the year, earning more than $179 million from just 20 performances. This feat reflects the band's continued relevance and Jagger's enduring appeal across generations. Jagger's success has translated into extraordinary wealth. As reported by Celebrity Net Worth, he currently holds an estimated net worth of $600 million. His financial empire is built not only on album sales and sold-out tours, but also from lucrative streams of income such as merchandise sales, licensing deals, and ventures into film production and acting. Jagger has appeared in a handful of films over the years, and even launched a production company, Jagged Films, which produced works like Enigma and The Women. In addition to his music and business acumen, Jagger is also a seasoned investor in luxury real estate. His global property portfolio is estimated to be worth over $250 million. He owns multiple residences in prime locations such as New York City and London, some of which are used by his children and family members, while others are rented out. One of his most notable properties is a lavish chateau in the south of France, a region long favored by rock stars and aristocrats alike. Knighted in 2003 for his services to music, Sir Mick Jagger is more than just a rock star. He is a cultural icon whose influence extends far beyond the stage. With a legacy that encompasses not only groundbreaking music, but also vast entrepreneurial ventures, Jagger stands as one of the most successful and enduring figures in modern music history.